Whether you are a budding storyteller or a seasoned content creator, the journey from raw footage to a cinematic masterpiece begins with the right tools. Pinnacle Studio provides an unparalleled editing environment that bridges the gap between simple home movies and professional-grade productions. With its intuitive interface and expansive feature set, it empowers you to transform your creative vision into reality, ensuring that every frame you capture tells the exact story you intend to share. Experience the freedom of true creative control with advanced tools designed to elevate your workflow. Pinnacle Studio offers unlimited tracks for high-definition, 4K, and 360-degree video editing, allowing you to layer your media with precision. From sophisticated video masking and motion tracking to comprehensive color grading, you possess the power to refine every detail, adjust shadows and highlights, and achieve that perfect, polished look that grabs your audience's attention from the very first second. Your projects deserve more than just basic cuts. They deserve an immersive experience. Enhance your storytelling with a vast library of creative filters, seamless transitions, and custom titles that add professional flair to any production. With features like multicam editing and split-screen templates, you can weave complex narratives from multiple perspectives, making your content stand out in a crowded digital space. Every effect is designed to be accessible yet powerful, giving you the versatility to experiment and innovate. Sound is the heartbeat of any great video, and Pinnacle Studio ensures your audio is just as crisp as your visuals. Utilize advanced audio editing tools, including audio ducking, to balance your voiceovers, music, and sound effects with ease. With access to a library of royalty-free music and the ability to record your own narration directly within the timeline, you can create a fully immersive soundscape that resonates with your viewers long after the video ends. Don't just edit, create with confidence and efficiency. Built for stability and performance, Pinnacle Studio streamlines the rendering process, letting you spend more time crafting your story and less time waiting for your software. Join millions of creators who rely on its precision to produce everything from engaging social media content to high-end cinematic films. Unlock your creative potential today, and discover how Pinnacle Studio can help you turn your imagination into your next great production. In a world overflowing with content, standing apart is crucial, and Pinnacle Studio equips you with the means to do just that. With every project, you have the capability to craft unique, engaging narratives that resonate deeply, captivating your audience from start to finish. The versatility offered by this software means you can edit high-definition footage with the same ease as 360-degree videos, making it an invaluable tool for various storytelling formats. Imagine indulging in an editing process where your creativity flows effortlessly, supported by a wide array of templates and visual effects that truly reflect your artistic style. The path to creative expression is adorned with advanced tools that enhance your editing capabilities. Take advantage of Pinnacle Studio's dynamic features, such as sophisticated video masking, which allows you to isolate specific parts of your footage for impressive effects. Imagine the visual storytelling possibilities when you apply motion tracking, ensuring elements move seamlessly across scenes, adding depth and dimension to your narrative. Color grading takes your visuals a step further, enabling you to craft the mood and tone that align with your story, transforming ordinary moments into cinematic magic. With each effect, you not only enhance your footage, but also breathe life into your creative vision, fostering a more profound connection with your audience. Embrace the potential of your edits as you layer audio and visuals, fully immersing your viewers in the tale you wish to unfold. As you work, you'll find that Pinnacle Studio not only supports your editing journey, but elevates it, inspiring new ideas to flourish with every click. Whether it's the subtle adjustments of highlights that accentuate emotions or the grand changes that reimagine scenes entirely, the software empowers you to realize your artistic ambitions. Your project deserves attention at every level, and with Pinnacle Studio, you possess the tools necessary to deliver a production that captivates and inspires. With Pinnacle Studio, you can also elevate your narratives with a rich library of creative filters, seamless transitions, and custom titles that infuse your projects with a professional touch. Visual storytelling is taken to new heights through multicam editing that allows you to combine multiple angles effortlessly, or utilize split-screen templates to share simultaneous action, adding an intricate layer to your narrative. Each tool is user-friendly yet powerful, enabling even the most novice creators to experiment and refine their personal style. As you dive deeper into the editing experience, you'll uncover the endless possibilities that Pinnacle Studio presents, ensuring your final product is not only polished but also a true reflection of your creative expression. Sound plays a crucial role in delivering a memorable experience, and Pinnacle Studio goes above and beyond to enhance your audio quality. With features such as audio ducking, you can effortlessly manage the levels of your voiceovers and background music, ensuring a perfect balance that draws viewers into your story. Plus, the ability to integrate royalty-free music into your projects opens up a world of sonic creativity, allowing your videos to resonate long after they've been viewed. Through its stable and efficient rendering capabilities, Pinnacle Studio ensures that your editing process is not just about finishing your project, but rather about crafting an experience that captivates and delights. As you unleash your creativity, remember that with Pinnacle Studio, your storytelling journey is limitless, ready for you to explore every narrative angle.